Tired of watching your garden wilt while the summer heat hits? These 5 perennials not only survive the heat, they thrive in it, giving you long-lasting color with less stress and less water. Let's take a look at the top performers to make your garden looking fresh while the sun's at its hottest. Coreopsis brings cheerful daisy-like flowers in colors of red, orange, and pink hues. It blooms non-stop from early summer to fall, especially if you deadhead regularly. Coreopsis loves full sun, tolerates poor soil, and thrives with minimal water once established. It's compact, tidy, and great for borders, containers, or wildflower-style plantings. And it attracts butterflies too. Whether you choose culinary sage or ornamental salvias, this plant is a heat-tolerant powerhouse. With silver green foliage and striking purple blooms, it adds color, texture, and fragrance to sunny gardens. Salvias thrive in well-drained soil, require little water once established, and are beloved by pollinators. They're also deer-resistant and great for layered planting designs. A staple for sunny gardens, yarrow handles the heat and poor soil like a pro. It offers long-lasting blooms in bold and soft tones and works beautifully in pollinator gardens or naturalistic designs. It's also fantastic for cutting and dries well, making it a gardener's favorite. Love learning about top-performing plants? Check out our other videos for garden tips, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Gaillardia, also known as blanket flower, brings fiery, bold colors to any garden. Its daisy-like flowers in reds, oranges, and yellows bloom from early summer through fall. Gaillardia thrives in poor soil, loves full sun, and thrives with minimal watering after it's settled. It's perfect for adding a punch of warm color and is great for borders or rock gardens. Plus, it attracts butterflies all season long. You'll find all of these heat-loving perennials right here at Wildwood Outdoor Living. Our team is always ready to help you pick that perfect plant for your vision. So come on in, see them in person, or shop online at any time. The link is in our description. And at the top spot, the mighty echinacea. Cone flowers are tough, colorful, and bloom for weeks, even in hot, dry conditions. They're also pollinator magnets, and their seed heads feed birds in the fall. With varieties in white, pink, yellow, coral, and more, you can build a whole palette around them. These 5 perennials mean that heat doesn't mean dull or dry. Add these to your garden for non-stop summer color without all the extra watering. Which is your favorite heat-tolerant plant? Tell us in the comments below. We'd love to hear it.